So all of you download and start aligning your life as much as possible to Kamikagama, because here your doubts, your questions, everything gets answered by the immediacy, user-friendly, direct, straightforward, intimate, personal instruction level. Mahadeva is revealing these great truths and directly instructing. So, all the Sri Mahans, Kotaris, Tanedars, email has been already sent to you with the link of Kamikagama, Purva, Uttara, both the parts. The science of enlightenment, context for life should be from 108 Upanishads. Lifestyle should be based on Kamikagama. Administration, running the Sangha, all the right, wrong, prayaschitta, enrollment, adding, deletion, administration should be done as per Manusmriti. I am clearly defining the vision of Nityananda Sangha. Upanishads are the ultimate, superior, authoritative scriptures for our Sangha. The 108 Upanishads described, named in Muktikopanishad. Please understand, among the Upanishads, there are some confusions, controversies, which should be accepted as Upanishads and which should not be. So I am clearing it. 108 Upanishads named in Muktikopanishad by Sri Ramachandra Prabhu to Hanuman. That 108 Upanishads forms the most authoritative, ultimate, superior, supreme scripture for our Sangha. And Kamikagama is the authoritative book for our lifestyle, day-to-day lifestyle. And Manusmriti forms the book based on which we will be doing administration of our Sangha and living our life. So anywhere if Manusmriti is attacked, we will stand up to defend Manusmriti. Anybody attacking Upanishads or Agamas or Manusmriti, they are attacking us directly. We will stand and defend. And I also wanted to mention one more important truth. Agama, Kamikagama, as revealed by Mahadeva, nowhere Mahadeva says these agamas should be practiced and taught only by particular community people. No. He says very clearly, Shiva Vipraihi. Shiva Vipra means followers of Shiva. So understand the authority to read, practice, preach, share agamas belongs to anybody who decides to follow Shiva. That's all. The word Shiva Vipra cannot be translated as particular community. See, in Amnaya Patati, Adi Shankara very clearly declares the person who occupies his pita should be Yoni Brahmana, means born in Brahmana Yoni, born to Brahmin mother. Oh, it does not say Brahmin father exactly. Anyhow, let's not get into the controversy. It says born to Brahmin mother. He makes it very clear. Who is a born Brahmin, he only has to sit in that seat. He doesn't say practicing Brahmin. Here, if Mahadeva wants to restrict this knowledge of Agama to certain community which comes by birth, he would have described it very clearly, because he goes to the extent of describing the measurement of your toothstick. When he is in the mood of giving such elaborate, clear description, not just the kind of a stick you should use for the brushing, the length and even thickness it describes. When he goes to that extent, he not saying this belongs to certain community by birth, the right or the authority goes by birth. He doesn't say. He didn't say anywhere. He says very clearly, Shiva Vipra, followers of Shiva. So, anybody decides to practice devotion to Shiva, who decides to follow Shiva, you have the right and authority to follow, read, practice, preach Shaivagamas. So please understand. Please understand. By revealing this to all of you and requesting all of you to align your life, I am not doing anything against the instruction or will of Mahadeva. I am only doing exactly as per his instruction. So, I am very clearly telling you, all of you have adhikara, right to read, practice, live, preach Shaivagamas.